Hello there. If you're a new mom about to become one or just curious about what new motherhood really feels like, stick around because today we're diving into something super important but rarely talked about: postpartum emotions. And trust me, you're not alone in how you feel. So, what exactly is happening after you have your baby? Well, your body and mind are both on a wild ride of change. Hormones are fluctuating like a roller coaster, and those changes can stir up all sorts of feelings, some expected and some, well, confusing. Let's break down what you might experience emotionally after giving birth. First up, happiness and excitement. You might feel overwhelming love for your little one. Those moments are priceless. But alongside that, it's completely normal to feel sadness or emptiness. We call these postpartum mood swings, and they can hit you unexpectedly, sometimes even moving from tears to laughter within minutes. Next, anxiety is common. You might worry about everything: feeding, sleeping, your own health, or just feeling unsure if you're doing everything right. And that's okay. These feelings are part of the process, but they can be overwhelming if not understood. Now, some new moms experience irritability or anger. You're tired, overwhelmed, and adjusting to this new life. It's normal to feel frustrated. Remember, your emotions are valid and it's okay to ask for help. And it's important to recognize that these feelings aren't a sign of failure or weakness. They're your body's way of processing huge changes. But in some cases, these emotions can develop into postpartum depression, which requires professional support. Keep an eye out for intense sadness lasting longer than 2 weeks, loss of interest in activities you used to enjoy, or feelings of hopelessness. If you notice these, reach out to a healthcare provider. They're there to help. Now, here's a quick tip. Sharing how you feel with someone you trust, your partner, a friend, or a counselor, can be a game changer. You don't have to go through this alone. Before we wrap up, if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Everyday Mom Chronicles for more honest, supportive insights about motherhood. And drop a comment below. What's one emotion you didn't expect after having your baby? Let's start a conversation. Lastly, here's a quick reminder. Postpartum emotions are normal, but your mental health matters. Reach out if you need help. You're doing an amazing job. Remember that. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.